What is going on, guys? It's Izzy here back at again with some more market information and market concepts you need to know. Today, we are going to be going over the power of three: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. This can go hand in hand with premium and discount, give you more confluence and probability to your setups. So, what is the power of three? As I said, it is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now, what is accumulation? It is when market is sitting in a range, providing engineered liquidity and accumulating that liquidity. From there, you see manipulation. And what is manipulation, you ask? Right here. Certain levels not doing their jobs. If we go below this low and buy back up and wick it and hold, that is manipulation. That low is not doing its job. And then what do you see after manipulation? Distribution. Now, just from explaining that, I hope you can see how this goes hand in hand with premium and discount. Because if you see manipulation in a discount market, we should be seeing premium. So let's zoom in, mark out these zones real quick for you. We have accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Now, I've been using a lot of higher time frames in these videos, so let's go into a lower time frame and see these concepts. And let's just grab over here. What do you see right here? You see a lot of manipulation happening, a lot of wicks, a lot of manipulation. See right here on a 5-minute chart. Pre-market accumulating orders. Right here. We're at the manipulation of pre-market lows. Right there. And then distribution to above pre-market highs. And you can use the concept of manipulation to help you spot out reversals. You see, because if we accumulate, manipulate, distribute, and then we manipulate this, what are we going to do again? Distribute. It's just about knowing which point of liquidity it's going to distribute to. And that is going to be some point of liquidity, whether it's a fair value gap or order block, a certain low, certain high, this, that. And then what do you see again? Accumulation, manipulation. Oh, lost my mouse with it. And then distribution. And look at that. We manipulate that high. The high's not doing its job. We're not creating more. So what do? We reverse. Accumulate, manipulate something, and distribute. It's the main key I'm trying to get across here. Now let's tie it hand to hand with premium and discount. So let's just say you're entering the market. You see we form this range right here. And what do you see? Premium getting manipulated, discount getting manipulated. Now let's pull something else out. Let's pull out this fib. Would you look at that? The golden pocket retracement showed manipulation of lows and interest in buyers. So what are we going to see? Above highs in a premium. And then see what the market does from there. And what does it do? Manipulate in a premium. So what should we be doing? Going towards lows in a discount. And you see how manipulation and distribution factors into this? Once we manipulate a low inside discount, we should be distributing to a high in premium. And if that high is manipulated, we should be also distributing down. See what I'm saying here? Now, just simply combining these two concepts that many traders just look over because they really want, all they want is a setup. Give me a buy, give me a sell indicator, this, that. That's all they want. They won't pay attention to anything. They won't listen. They won't do this. All they want to do is have an indicator and buy and sell. That's not how this works. You have to go in the charts, you have to have experience, and you have to look for these things. I'm not saying nonsense. It's right in front of your eyes. Let me pull this range out the day before. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Let's go to the last day. Accumulation, some form of manipulation, and distribution. Let's go again. Accumulation, manipulation right here of these highs, and then distribution to lows. It's as simple as that. And once you factor in premium and discount into that, it higher your probabilities. Let me pull out the fib retracement real quick. Okay, this might not be a good one because we reached for I think an order block on this one. So it's probably gonna be like 80% retrace, but yeah, just above golden pocket. Just above golden pocket. And bam. If you can't see how these two go hand in hand, it can help you see through these markets. I don't know what to do to help you. Because these two are the main two you need to know before you even get into a setup, before you even think about finding a setup. This is the basis of the market. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, inside of premium or discount. It happened here too. I just wanna keep pointing this out. Accumulation. We have manipulation of the highs right here. And then distribution to lows. It's really that simple. Quit overcomplicating everything. Think about this before you even think about a setup. This is what you should be thinking about before you even go into the market. Where's the market accumulating? Watch where it manipulates from and distribute with it. And within the distribution, most of the time, there is a high probability setup within the lower time frame, such as the silver bullet, turtle soup, this, that, all the ones that everyone just wants to go into and skip over these. In order for those to work, you need to understand accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and premium and discount. Now to conclude, what is the power of three? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Let me say it a couple more times. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's all this market is. And what other concept have I shown you that you can combine with this to further increase your probability of a good trade? Premium and discount. I just pulled up 2 or 3 random days. I don't even remember, but it was 2 or 3. I pulled them up. Premium and discount. Let me just do it again. Premium and discount. Fib retracement. High, low. Oh, what are we at? Right almost into the golden. See how I mean? It doesn't go into the golden retracement always, but it's a point of interest. We go above equilibrium, manipulate, and distribute. Let's go over here. The one I just showed y'all. Let me just pull it up again. Not exactly golden pocket, but you see the idea. Manipulation in some kind of premium market and distribution to lows. You see how these two go hand in hand? If you can't see that, none of these setups or entries will work for you. They might work here and there, but this gives you an extra edge on probability. That's all I got for y'all today. Till next time, I'm on the charts.